In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to Slack on mobile using a QR code. This is a quick and convenient way to log in without typing your workspace details or credentials on your phone. It works by using your already signed in Slack session on your computer to securely connect your mobile app. One important thing to remember before you begin is that the QR code is temporary and single use, so keep it private, don't screenshot it, and avoid showing it during screen sharing. To get started, go to your computer and open Slack on your desktop app, or use an active Slack session in your web browser if you're already signed in there. Once Slack is in front of you, look over to the far left sidebar and scroll all the way down to the bottom. Click on your profile picture or avatar to open the account menu. When that menu appears, choose the option that says Sign in on mobile. A new window will appear in the middle of your screen with the title Sign in on mobile device. In that window, Slack will automatically generate a QR code for you. This code is what your phone will scan in order to link your mobile app to your current desktop session. At this point, leave that window open and visible. Don't minimize it or switch away from it because your phone will need to scan it directly from the screen. Now pick up your phone and make sure it's connected to the internet, either through Wi-Fi or mobile data. Open the Slack app on your device. On the opening screen, tap Sign In. After that, look for the option that says Sign In with QR code and tap it to continue. If Slack asks for permission to use your camera, allow it. This is necessary because the app needs to scan the QR code displayed on your computer. Once the camera opens, point your phone at the QR code on your desktop screen. Try to center the code inside the camera view and hold your phone steady for a second or two. In most cases, Slack will recognize it almost immediately. After the scan is successful, the app will begin signing you in automatically. You may briefly see a loading screen while Slack verifies the secure session and loads your workspaces and channels. Once that finishes, you'll be taken straight into your mobile Slack interface and can start